Solving equations, question 3. We're going to solve the following equation, and then next to each step we'll justify using distributive property, inverse operations, or combining like terms what we did at each step. Because we have parentheses, we're going to start right off by drawing our lines, which tell us that we're going to have to distribute. It means multiplying the front by everything on the inside. -4 times 1 is -4. -4 times a -2x is a positive 8x equals 1/3 times 15x. Well, 1/3 of 15 is 5, gives us 5x. And then 1/3 times 6, 1/3 of 6 is a positive 2. And then we just write out the rest of the equation. We're going to make sure to label this step dp, which stands for distributive property, because we distributed. Our next step is to look and see about combining like terms. If we look on our left side, we've got a -4, we have no other constants, and we have an 8x, and we have no other variables on that left side, so we cannot combine over. If we look on our right side, we've got a 5x, but no other variables, so we can't combine any x's, but we do have a 2 and a -7. We can combine the constants on the right side. If we combine them, 2 minus 7 gives us a -5. So that means we have 5x minus 5 on the right side. On the left side, we didn't combine anything, so it stays the same. So -4 plus 8x. We're going to want to remember to label our step. So we combined like terms right here, so we'll write our CLT. From here, we need to get all of our variables on the same side. I'm going to move my variables over to the left side. So we're going to move that 5x over. We do the opposite to move it across the equal sign. So if we have a positive 5x, we'll subtract 5x from both sides. So 5x minus 5x is 0. We can cross that out. That leaves us with a -5 on the right side. And then 8x minus 5x is 3x. So we have a -4 plus 3x is equal to -5. Because we did opposites, another word for opposites is inverse operation. So we'll label this an IO. Now we need to get all of our constants to this same side. So let's move our -4 over to the right. So the opposite of a -4 is +4. We add it to both sides. -4 plus 4 is 0, so we can cross it out. And -5 plus 4 is a -1. So that gives us 3x is equal to -1. Because we did opposites, we need to make sure to label our inverse operations. So that IO, make that an I so it doesn't look like a 10. Finally, we have to get x by itself. We have 3 times x. So opposite of multiplying is dividing. I'm running out of room, sorry. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We can cross this out, giving us x is equal to -1/3. And because we did our opposites, because we had multiplication, and we did the opposite of multiplying, which is dividing, we'll just add this arrow. We've got another inverse operation.